Number 6I. The new session already I have completed number 5 in the before sessions. Now starting in this session number 6I, that is 6I is equal to integration over tan 3x dx. Integration over tan 3x dx. I already discussed about the multiple angle are taking as z, so put 3x is equal to z, put 3x as z, 3x is equal to z. So dz is equal to 3 dx, that is dz by 3 is equal to dx, dz by 3 you can put, that is 1 by 3 taking outside, that is 1 by 3 taking outside, tan z, dx is dz by 3, 1 by 3 putting outside, that is dz. You know integration over tan z is equal to integration over tan z already जानते हो 1 by 3 tan z हो जाएगा ln sec z, ln sec z है ना, tan x का इंटीग्रेशन जो फॉर्मूला स्टार्टिंग में कोई थी tan x का फॉर्मूला मन रखते हो ln sec z plus c, that is 1 by 3 ln sec z, z is equal to z value is z is equal to 3x, sec 3x plus c, that is your answer. Similarly, look, similarly you can do taking x by 3 as z, 2i, 3i you can put 2x plus 1 also z, in iv you can put 7x as z, but in v I am just going to down the v, number v, number v, number v is equal to, number v is 2x cot x square plus 3, 2x cot x square plus 3 dx. A multiple angle taking z, put z is equal to x square plus of 3. So dz is equal to 2x dx. You look 2x and dx also present, 2x and dx already present, that is 2x dx already present. In this case, two cases, you use dz. So integration of cot z, 2x dx is equal to dz. You already know the integration of cot z is equal to ln sin z, cos x cot x integration ln sin x थिला कोई थी. So ln sin z, ln sin z, z is equal to z value is equal to x square plus 3. Put z is equal to x square plus 3 plus c. That's your answer. It is very easy problems for you. Now B3, Bi and B2i, last two bits of your exercise, Bi and B2i, Bi and B2i. Bi is e to x tan ex dx, e to x tan e to x dx. Taking ex, the multiple angle as z, put z is equal to e to x. So dz is equal to ex dx, because ex derivative is ex also. So ex dx, you look ex dx already present. Tan z, ex dx is equal to dz. The integration of tan z is equal to ln sec z plus c, that is ln sec, the value of z is equal to e to x plus c. That is your answer of Bi. Now I am going to down B2i, the last part of the number 6, the last problem of the number 6. B2i sec 2x minus 3 whole square dx, put 2x minus 3 is equal to z. So dz is equal to 2 dx. Amar hoche only dx hochi. So dz by 2 is equal to dx. That is equal to sec square z, sec whole square, that is sec square also, sec square z dx जगह बस dz by 2 dz taking half outside sec square z dz integration होची tan z half tan z plus c because sec square integration is tan, so half tan z is equal to 2x minus 3 plus c. That's your answer of number 6b, last part of the questions. Now going to do number 7. Look, number 7i. Number 7i, integration of e to x plus or e to the minus x plus or e to the minus x divided by e to the x minus or e to the minus x dx. So very good questions. Sometimes it is faced in your examination also. Put z is equal to the numerator part. Put z is equal to e to x minus or e to the minus x. So dz, the derivative of ex is equal to ex, but derivative of e to the minus multiplied is plus e to the minus x, because minus is multiplied in this case, that is e to x plus or e to the minus x dx. You look, that part already on opposite side by numerator sides. That part is also dz e to the x plus e to the minus x dx is equal to, that is dz. Dz, the denominator part is z, dz by z. dz by z is equal to ln z plus c. Ln z plus c, that equal to ln z. The value of z is equal to e to the x minus or e to the minus x plus of c. That is your 7i. That is also about your 7i. Then I am going to 7.3i also. Non 7.3i. You look number 7.3i. 7.3i is integration of x plus 1. Integration of x plus 1 ln x square plus or 2x plus 2 by x square plus or 2x plus 2 dx. You look, x square plus 2x plus 2 and x square plus 2 is repeated. Which part is repeated? Putting z. Put z is equal to x square plus or 2x plus 2. So dz is equal to 2x, x square is 2x, 2x is 2 dx. We have x plus 1 dx, not 2x plus 1, 2x plus 2 dx nahi. So you divided 2, common taking 2 and divided in this sides. So dz by 2 is common and divided, is equal to x plus 1 dx. Now x plus 1 dx already present. Instead of x plus 1 dx, you can put dz by 2. Now put 1 by 2 taking outside, that is ln z, that is z, divided by z into dz. dx, x plus 1 dx डाला, dz by, x plus 1 dx is equal to dz by 2. So x plus 1 dx जाएगा बस dz by 2, 2 taking outside. Again, put ln z is equal to t. Again, आउ थोड़ा substitute करिवा, दुई थोड़ा substitute होगी. Again, ln z is equal to t. So dt is equal to derivative t टा कहता हो, ln z और derivative कहता हो dz by z. देखो dz by z already present, dz by z. ताले ln z जाएगा में कौन बसेगा? ln z जाएगा बसेगा that is half अच्छी. ln z जाएगा बसेगा t और dz by z जाएगा बसेगा कौन? dt. देखो dz by z जाएगा बसेगा dt. So t dt 1 by 2 t dt इंटीग्रेशन टा कहता हो t square by 2 plus 1 by 4 2 into 2 4 value of 2t, value of t is equal to ln z रो square, t रो square माने ln z रो square plus c is equal to 1 by 4 z value कहते हैं that is x square plus 2x बसे दबा ln x square plus or 2x plus or 2 rho whole square plus or c. That is your answer. That's your answer. That's all about your answers. Number 7, that is number 7 3a. Now I have done number 8. Number 8, you look number 8. I put x plus alpha is equal to z already given 2i and 3i. I have done 2i and 3i. Number 8, 2i and 3i. Okay. You look number 2i and 3i. Number 8, 2i A2i, that is integration of sin x by cos x minus alpha. Dx. Put x minus alpha is equal to z. Put x minus alpha is equal to z. Put x minus alpha is equal to z. So dz is equal to कितना है dx, because alpha is a constant. That implies x is equal to z plus alpha. Change the value x to z in upper sides. देखो, you look seriously. You look sin x is equal to z plus alpha. So x जगह पे बसेगा कौन z plus alpha. X minus alpha is equal to कितना z, that is cos z. dx is equal to dz. देखो, these are x form. It is z form. All are z form. Z. All are z form. So sin a plus b from z plus or sin a plus b formula पकेगा. Sin a plus b is equal to sin z into cos alpha plus of cos z into sin alpha divided by cos z dz. You look sin z by cos z. Cos alpha is a constant taking outside. Cos alpha is a constant taking outside. That is sin z by cos z. Sin z by cos z dz. That is cos z by cos z cancel. Cos z is cos z cancel. Plus integration of sin alpha dz. So देखो cos alpha integration of sin by cos alpha, that is tan z dz. Sin alpha taking outside because sin alpha is a constant, only dz. So you will write in this case, write cos alpha integration of tan z is equal to cos alpha integration of tan z, you already know, ln sec z. tan z integration of ln sec z dz integration of z sin alpha plus c. Put the value of z. The value of z is equal to x minus alpha. Put the value of z. Z is equal to x minus alpha. Cos alpha ln sec. देखो z जगह कौन बसेगा कि x minus alpha. X minus alpha plus z जगह बसेगा x minus alpha into sin alpha plus c. That's your answer. That's all of your answers. Number 2i. That is your answer. How you can solve? देखो, that is x minus alpha is equal to z. So x is equal to z plus alpha. You can put x is equal to z plus alpha. Sin a plus b formula a plus b. Sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Eta divided by eta plus eta divided by eta. Sin z by cos zeta cot z है गला. देखो sin z by cos zeta tan z है गला. Cos z cancel है गला. Sin alpha पद बसला खाली only dz होची देखो dz. So that's integration. That is your integration of number 8 to 8. Now the last bit of this exercise. Last bit and last number of the exercise also last. Number 8 3i. Number 8 3i. देखो 8 3i. It is no doubt it is the last question. Some tricks can be used in this case. You used the tan form taking to sin and cos form. You already know sin tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. You know tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. So now integration number 83i. Integration of tan x plus tan alpha, tan x plus or tan alpha by tan x minus or tan alpha dx. Just you look, tan x is equal to, tan x value is tan x equal to sin x by cos x plus sin alpha by cos alpha divided by sin x by cos x minus of sin alpha by cos alpha dx. तो एलसीएम cos x cos alpha ले देखो तले भी एलसीएम डाउची cos x cos alpha कटि जिवो एलसीएम दिटा कटि जिवो सो ऊपर केतरा देखो आफ्टर एलसीएम मल्टीप्लाई cos alpha दैट इज sin x into cos alpha plus cos x into sin alpha, cos x into sin alpha. The LCM part is cancelled. Sin x into cos alpha minus of cos x into sin alpha dx. You already know sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b, that is sin a plus b, sin x plus alpha. Similarly, third of the sin x minus alpha dx, sin x plus alpha divided by sin x minus alpha. Put, give in your books gives hints, denominator side taking as z, put x minus alpha is equal to z, put x minus alpha is equal to z, so dz is equal to dx and x is equal to z plus alpha, alpha plus is equal, put that is equal to integration of sin e, देखो x जार बस z प्लस अल्फा देखो x रो वैल्यू होची z प्लस अल्फा केतला z प्लस 2 अल्फा z प्लस 2 अल्फा डिवाइड बाय x माइनस अल्फा इज इक्वल टू z, दैट इज sin e z dz. देखो आउथर कोइ दो देखो sin x प्लस अल्फा द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू z प्लस अल्फा z प्लस अल्फा इज इक्वल टू z प्लस 2 अल्फा, where x minus alpha is equal to z, that is x minus alpha is equal to that is sin z. Now look how to solve this problem. You look how to solve this problem. Sin a plus b, sin z into cos 2 alpha plus cos z into sin 2 alpha divided by sin z. देखो that part divided by z part sin z cancel हो जिवो, जो cos 2 alpha is the constant taking outside cos 2 alpha outside, only sin z constant only dz, but sin 2 alpha is the constant taking outside, that is cos z by sin z dz. That equal to cos 2 alpha integration of dz plus of sin 2 alpha integration of cos by sin cot z dz, dz integration of z cos 2 alpha, cot z होची ln sin z, you already know sin 2 alpha into ln sin z, cot z रो इंटीग्रेशन होची ln sin z plus of c, put value of z, the value of z is equal to x minus alpha, that is equal to x minus alpha into cos 2 alpha plus of sin 2 alpha into ln sin 2 alpha into ln sin that is z value is equal to x minus alpha plus c. That your answer. And already completed this exercise. I have done the next exercise in previous next sessions. That is a 9C. Only 5 problems also completed in next sessions. Okay, that's today. I will complete 3 sessions. So all the best. You can do all the problems. I think there is no any doubt in this exercise special 9B. So you already done the remaining problems. You can easily that solve on this all the problems. So all the best. Okay.